In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover GCash money from lost SIM. Losing a SIM can be stressful, but the process to recover your GCash funds is straightforward if you follow along carefully. Make sure you're on a secure internet connection and have access to a new phone so you can complete the steps smoothly. First, go to the GCash Help Center. You can do this through a web browser by searching for the GCash Help Center, or by opening the Help section from within the GCash app if it's available on your device. This is the official support hub where GCash provides guides and tools for account issues. Once you're on the Help Center, select the option that says Lost SIM or Phone. This section is designed specifically for situations like yours. Open that page and take a moment to read the article carefully from top to bottom. It explains what GCash can do in cases of lost SIMs, what information may be needed to verify your account, and how the recovery process works. Reading the article first will save you time and help you understand what to expect. After reviewing the article, scroll down to the part that explains how to recover your funds. This section outlines the exact actions you'll take to get your money back safely. Pay attention to any notes about eligibility, timeframes, or verification, since these can affect how quickly your case is handled. With your new phone ready, look for the Contact Us button on that same Help Center page. Select it to start getting support. From there, choose Chat with Gigi. Gigi is GCash's official support chatbot, and it will guide you through the next steps. In the chat, clearly explain that your SIM or phone was lost and that you want to recover your GCash money. Include concise, relevant details, such as the mobile number associated with your GCash account and any helpful context about your last known balance or recent transactions. Keep your messages clear and direct. Never share one-time passwords, PINs, or any sensitive codes in the chat. After you've shared the details, wait patiently and follow Gigi's instructions. You may be asked to confirm certain information to verify your identity. Stay in the chat until you receive confirmation on the next steps, and keep an eye on your messages or email for updates from GCash support if they escalate your case. That's it. Go to the GCash Help Center, choose Lost SIM or Phone, read the article, scroll to the recovery guidance, and use Contact Us to chat with Gigi. Stay calm, follow the prompts, and you'll be on your way to recovering your funds.